Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS applied visual design. And we're going to do a fun one in this one about the linear gradient. So we're going to learn how to use the linear gradient using this syntax here. So you can so for this one, we're changing the background color to a linear gradient. And then the first parameter is the direction of it. And it's given in 2 degrees. So this is the syntax of it, degree. So if it's a 90 degree, like this, it goes from left to right, or you can do like a 45 degree from bottom left to bottom right. And then after that, it takes in whatever colors you want, color, how many colors you want for your gradient. So for this exercise, we want to use the linear gradient for the div element background. So this div here, width 70%, height 400 pixels, about margin, it's going to be in the middle. We want to add a linear gradient. Sorry, we can just background, linear gradient, 35 degree, and then takes in, let's just copy this, comma, copy this. So just 2 colors, 35 degrees. And there you go. Now you can see this nice style. Thank you.